We live in a world brimming with ideas, yet often, the loudest voices dominate the conversation. But what if I told you that the quietest, the most unconventional, or even the minority view, holds the power to reshape our collective future? It's time to recognize that your unique perspective isn't just valid, it's essential. Your voice, your distinct way of seeing the world, is not merely an opinion. It is a potential catalyst, a spark that can ignite profound change. Don't ever underestimate the transformative power held within your individual truth. History is not a linear path, it's a tapestry woven with countless threads, many of them initially dismissed. Minority views challenge the status quo, forcing us to question assumptions and explore new possibilities. They are the vital disruptors that prevent stagnation. These perspectives often highlight overlooked injustices or propose innovative solutions that the majority might miss. They push boundaries, broaden understanding, and ultimately enrich our public discourse. Embracing them leads to more robust and equitable outcomes for everyone. Think of every significant social movement, every paradigm shift in thought or policy. They rarely began with universal consensus. Instead, they were often championed by a courageous few who dared to speak against the prevailing tide. These individuals, armed with conviction and a clear vision, refused to be silenced. Their unwavering commitment to their truth eventually resonated, inspiring others and ultimately altering the course of history. Their stories remind us that one voice can indeed spark a revolution. Expressing your opinion effectively requires more than just volume, it demands clarity and conviction. Articulate your thoughts with respect, support your claims with evidence, and always aim for understanding, not just victory. Your message gains strength through thoughtful delivery. Remember, constructive dialogue is a bridge, not a battleground. Frame your perspective in a way that invites conversation and collaboration, rather than shutting it down. This approach amplifies your impact and fosters genuine progress. Creating environments where diverse voices are not just tolerated but celebrated is paramount. Actively listen to understand, not just to respond. Challenge your own biases and make space for perspectives that differ from your own. True inclusion means valuing every contribution, recognizing that each unique viewpoint adds invaluable depth to our collective wisdom. When everyone feels safe and empowered to speak, our communities thrive with innovation and empathy. The social, cultural, and economic fabric of our world is constantly evolving. Historical shifts have always been influenced by those brave enough to challenge the norm and advocate for a better way. Your voice is a crucial part of this ongoing evolution. Embracing diverse viewpoints leads to more resilient societies, innovative solutions, and a deeper understanding of our shared humanity. Your perspective is not just important, it is indispensable for shaping a more just and equitable future. Your experiences and thoughts are incredibly valuable. Share them in the comments below. Let's build a community where every individual feels empowered to voice their opinions and contribute to meaningful change. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on advocacy and empowerment. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. If you found this video valuable, please share it with friends who need to hear this message. Let's amplify our voices together and shift the course of events by embracing and valuing minority perspectives. Thank you for watching, and remember, your voice can change the world.